Welcome back to Naturally Seated. I'm Kristen, and today we're diving into eucalyptus, which is not just for koala bears. In fact, did you know that this powerhouse plant has been used for centuries in medicine, cleaning, and cooking? But what does science say about the benefits of eucalyptus? Let's take a deep dive. Eucalyptus oil is derived from the leaves of the eucalyptus tree native to Australia. Now, this tree can come in several varieties, two of which are commonly found in essential oils, and that would be Eucalyptus globulus and Eucalyptus radiata. The primary active compound in eucalyptus is called eucalyptol, or its molecule name 1,8-cineol, which has been widely studied for its antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and decongestant properties. Studies show that eucalyptus oil can inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria, including Staphylococcus aureus and Escherichia coli, making it a natural choice for home disinfectants. In fact, eucalyptus is famous for its ability to clear congestion. If you've ever used Vicks VapoRub, you've already experienced the effects. And clinical trials confirm that eucalyptol can reduce mucus production and open the airways in the lungs, making it beneficial for colds, flu, or even asthma patients. That's why eucalyptus is the star ingredient in shower steamers, inhalers, and chest rubs, all of which support easy breathing. And eucalyptus oil is a natural disinfectant. Its antibacterial properties make it perfect for DIY home cleaners. Speaking of home cleaners, let me show you how to make a DIY eucalyptus cleaner for yourself. We'll start with a cup of distilled water. You can distill it yourself by just boiling it. To that, add half a cup of vinegar. And then add your oils. I'm adding Eucalyptus radiata. 15 drops is what my recipe calls for. And 10 drops of tea tree oil. Shake it up. And now we're ready to clean. And it's that simple. Eucalyptus isn't just for cleaning and breathing, it's also edible. While some species are toxic, food-grade eucalyptus leaves are used in herbal teas, infused honey, and even syrups for sore throat. And research suggests that eucalyptus tea can help reduce oxidative stress, which supports your immune system. And it has a subtle, refreshing taste, perfect for winter wellness. From breathing better to cleaning naturally, eucalyptus is a powerful and versatile plant backed by science. And if you found this video helpful, click that like and subscribe button for more evidence-based DIYs. And remember, don't take my word for it, see for yourself. Want to explore more? Check out our website for in-depth research and DIY guides, and visit our Etsy store for hand-picked DIY kits so you can create your own infused products at home, or enjoy some homemade products we've made for you.